All right, guys. Happy Thursday afternoon to you. So today's just going to be a quick update on Bitcoin right now. We're currently in this symmetrical triangle right now. I don't want to put too much into this pattern. I mean, we do have 2 touch points, but I would like to see us maybe come down and test this one more time just so I can, I'm more confident about this trend line than I am this one. Looking at our price right now, we're sitting just above our red and green. So the green's going to be your 5 SMA and your dark red is going to be your 10, which I use these for moving averages. And then these ones up here are going to be your EMAs. So we're sitting just under, we're sitting just under our 300-day moving average on the 4-hour. Something to keep an eye on is we have our purple, which is our 100-day, and then we have our green, which is our 200. They're about to converge. So for Bitcoin to possibly get these to poke to the upside, we really need to break above the 10,006 area and build some support above it, fairly quickly. Our next area of resistance is going to be at 10,000, about that 200-300 area. But we do face the possibility of going up and touching that trend line and then making it to the downside. Now vice versa, if we go above this trend line, we consolidate above it, we could easily go and pop back up. But something I've been talking about for a while is a lot of people were calling this the lower high on this first downturn. And I think if you look at the charts, I think it could very well, this could be this right here. So we could also come back up, go to the upside and then make our lower high over here. But that would still put us above 11,200 if we can break this line. So, because 11.2 is going to be my next target once we break 11,000. Now, if we do. So, looking for positions right now. I'm just staying neutral. I really wouldn't short until we close at least a 2-hour candle, preferably 4-hour candle under 9,600, but they're holding strong right now. So, so I guess what I'm going to be waiting for is I have more of a buy the dip mentality right now. So if we dip to possibly 9,900, 9,850, I'm going to be looking to buy that dip for a ride to 10K, but I'm going to be watching this very closely. If we look at Market Cipher B, we are showing ever just so slightly, these are bullish convergences. This is the bear side and this is the bull, but each wave of momentum has slightly gotten smaller if we count it from here to here, which that could already be this jump. If we look at the price action, this could have very well been the dip here because this wave was bigger, was smaller than this. So, and you see we have red negative selling pressure building and our RSI is slightly turning red. So, we just have really something to watch out for. If we go up to the daily real quick, we're basically pinballed. We're sitting right under the light blue, which is going to be your 50-day moving average, and your darker blue, which is your 21. And we're basically just sitting here in this pinball motion between 9,700 and then the 10,500 area. So, you guys can do what you want, but for me personally, I really don't want to lean bearish right now because there's a lot of support at 9,600, and even more so, there's quite a bit at that 9,300 area. I mean, that doesn't mean if you're swing trading, honestly, this would be a pretty good area to swing trade, but I've noticed lately when Bitcoin, instead of making our moves up or down, we seem to sit in this area and consolidate. Generally, you would think that would be a healthy consolidation like in the stock market, but Bitcoin generally, if it doesn't make its move after a day, 2, 3 days of consolidating, we generally make our move down. And on the daily time scale, our 5 and 10 day simple moving averages, they're converging to the downside. literally right at the top of this candle. So for me to get bullish, even more so, like really bullish, I really want to see us break 10,300. And if we were to break that, you know, my next target's going to be that 10.6, 10.7 area. Now we could very possible we could go up and touch this line again. And honestly, I would like to see us do that, not just for a profitability standpoint, but I want to see if we respect that line again and maybe come back down, before we make our move. So, that pretty much sums up this. I just wanted to do a quick analysis on Bitcoin. So the targets to watch out for is your 9,600, and then on the bullish side, you're going to be looking. Our next target's going to be that 10,300 area. If we break above 10.3, I'm going to get pretty bullish. Probably will target the 10.8, possibly even the 11,200 area at the top of our symmetrical triangle. But vice versa, if you're bearish, I'm personally waiting on 9,600 to break. I would like to see a 4-hour candle close behind it, and I want to see it become, support become new resistance. And then I would feel slightly more comfortable maybe averaging in a small short position, just using small parts of my portfolio to average in. So that pretty much just concludes today. I just wanted to do a quick analysis on Bitcoin. If you guys enjoyed today's comment, I'm trying to grow my channel and trying to get in the good graces of the YouTube algorithms. So please hit that like and subscribe button, as I stream twice a day, and I've also started doing live streams, because I really enjoy doing these for you, and I hope you like watching them. So thank you very much, and have a good day.